Oh, come on now.
Hiya, I'm Smithy. Smithy's Contiki, and the Contiki is the van. And the travel trolls have asked us to do a quarantine, well, they've challenged us to a quarantine 10 questions. So Susie's going to read the questions. So what's question 1, Susie?
How many toilet rolls do we have at the moment?
In the van, because obviously it relates to the van, doesn't it? So we've got a pack of 12 in the van. I think that's what we started with, even at quarantine, with a pack of 12, didn't we?
Mm.
What's next?
What has been the biggest change for us since lockdown?
Well, we can't go anywhere, can we?
Me having to put up with you.
Yeah, there is that. Yeah, just not being able to go anywhere and hold up, and that's it. What can you say? We're not allowed out like anybody else. Now that I'm trying to do a challenge here, Benji. I know you want to be on camera and all that. You're supposed to be on at the end. What? Quick, question 2. Hurry up.
2. I've just done 2.
Right, 3 then. You keep count.
God.
Oh.
Where are you currently parked or docked at? Outside my mother's.
Outside your mother's, yeah. So we're outside Sue's mother's.
What have you gone without recently?
Well, a lot of outdoor activities, haven't we, really? You've gone without work. Mm-hmm. Well, you're working, but you've sent you home, but yeah, just the fun we were having. No, it's not fun, is it?
No.
Susie's cutting my hair and all sorts.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
What are you most grateful for? Well, I'm grateful for life.
Yeah, I am. I'm grateful for you. My man, the kids and all sorts, yeah.
Mm.
I don't understand the question, but anyway, next.
Hey, what do you miss the most?
What do I miss the most about van life? Is that what it is?
It just says, what do you miss the most? Well, it's in general, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I think I'm...
Because you're not missing van because you're in it all the time.
No, but it's regards van life though, isn't it?
Well, it's
so,
going places in it, isn't it?
Yeah, and just visiting anywhere we wanted. Even to just go to the beach and have dinner and sit out with dogs, wasn't it?
Mm.
You know, you weren't even allowed to do that. You were allowed an hour's exercise. You're not allowed to drive to go and have exercise. But that's slowly changing, isn't it?
Mm. How long has it been since you have been at a campsite?
Well, the last campsite we were at would be...
4 furlong, wasn't it?
Yeah. Blackpool. Went to Blackpool, didn't we? Yeah, just before we were locked down. We was in Blackpool. Not Blackpool, yeah, Blackpool. Windy Harbour.
I don't think you should ask this one with tea you made.
Well, what does it say?
What's your favourite quarantine food? You eat like a king and I eat like a pauper.
No, who cooked it?
Well, whether you cooked it or not.
Yeah, but I like smoked yellowfish, I like new potatoes, and I like green beans. I like them dripped in English butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did I have?
Fish fingers.
And why?
You asked for fish fingers. No,
what did I want first?
I bought a tin of... I bought that tin of food, not you.
It doesn't matter.
So I ate it.
So, all food I buy, that means I can eat it.
No, I was shopping, right, and I seen a tin of hamburgers. I thought, I like tins of hamburgers. I hadn't had one for a long time. I thought I'd buy one and try it. And that's what I did.
And what did I want for tea?
My tin of hamburgers.
Did I get them?
No, because I'd eaten them already. God.
How are you exercising and doing workouts?
Well, I'd say getting up every 5 minutes to make you a coffee.
No, that's a lie.
How many coffees have you made?
Have I got a coffee here?
Right, I'm going to make one in a minute. But in the last week...
No, you're only saying that now.
Just for a joke, right? For the last week, how many coffees have you made me?
I asked you and you go, no, I'll have water instead.
No, seriously,
No,
how many
come on,
brews
be
have you made me in a
honest.
week?
Well, about 3.
You haven't, you made 1.
Well, 1.
Yeah. I make about 50 a day.
Yeah, but I offered you them.
Right, go on, next question.
Who are you challenging next?
Oh, right, okay then. So, I'll have to put my glasses on because I can't see. Can you read my writing, Sue?
Just about.
Right. Another camper van channel, which is a lady van lifer. And then we've got Cameron McNeish, Scottish, with his Volkswagen, red Volkswagen. So, I don't know if these will do it. I'll send them the message, so I'm hoping they will. You never know. 3, Class A living. Now he's a young American that lives in a huge RV in America, and I've only come across his channel in the last month or so. anyway, it's interesting. It's got some good stuff. Number 4 is Gary Burfield Wallace. Now he's in the UK. He was going to run a park somewhere before all this lockdown. He lives in a big American RV. So he was going to sell it and build a camper, so I don't know what's happening because obviously it's not been on YouTube. So we'll see, you know, I'll send him a message. And then number 5 is a channel, because you don't watch YouTube really, do you?
No.
Only what I show you. Is a van channel that I've watched for quite a long time. It's Herman Hits the Road. And Herman is their van. Now do you remember when we went to Carnforth and we saw that van and I videoed it? That's what they've got, one of them. That was a nice van, that, wasn't it? And I kept saying it's huge, this inside, isn't it? It was at left-hand drive that though, wasn't it, that day? Theirs is, I don't think it's left-hand drive, but anyway. So I followed them for a long time. So Herman Hits the Road. So at the end of the titles or whatever, the description, I'll put the names in. So I suppose I've got to go and make a brew now, haven't I?
Yeah.
So that's the price of you
Cheers.
sitting
Bye.
there.